What's good, guys? It's Jacob Crypobury. I'm Jake, I'm your host, and today we're going to look at Harmony One cryptocurrency. We're also going to look at some great places where you can do some yield farming to get that passive income, and just looking at the market overview at the moment. We're popping green, a few red bubbles, but we've got Zilana, we've got Moonbeam, we've got Compound, we've got some other great ones that are looking really, really good. And if we look at the heat map, we can see that the infrastructure projects are still looking pretty solid. We've got Ethereum just hovering at $3,400. We've got Luna, Polkadot as well. So overall, the sentiment is still bullish. We're just holding at this particular price level. Harmony One, we've got a total value locked at the moment. Looking at all the different DeFi play to earns and the decentralized exchanges, we've got 1.2 billion TVL, which is still quite a significant amount of total value locked, especially when we look at the previous high of 2 billion. It seems that we like to kind of hold this floor around 1.2 billion mark. So here are some of the areas that I wanted to show you guys. So firstly, we've got Tranquil Finance. You can see total supplied 186 million. And that's quite a lot, to be honest. So the APY right there is pretty decent. You get 9.89% APY on this particular platform here at Tranquil Finance. And this would be one of the viable options because the amount that is supplied does show that it is quite a trusted platform. So I definitely would consider this one if you're looking to a place to actually stake your Harmony, so you can also get more capitalization on your Harmony One. The next one would be the staking.harmony one, and this is the validators on the mainnet itself. And the best way to do this basically is looking at the stake tab here, and you want to look at the one that's got the highest. So maybe not the Binance staking because you're not getting a good return, but the Robo validator or even the KuCoin validator pools right here, these are pretty good. And that's 309 million Harmony Ones right there, and you're getting a good return, 9%, 8.5%, 9.4%. So they're pretty worthwhile, actually doing if you want to capitalize more cryptocurrency that you own and let it work for you. The next one is going to be Everstake, and we can actually use the calculator here. So let's assume we had, 10,000 Harmony Ones at around $1,600. Using this particular platform, your monthly earning would be about $12. So it doesn't really seem like a lot, to be honest. If you had 25,000 Harmony Ones, so $4,000, you're looking at $30 worth and $365 worth. So personally, I'd probably rather stick to the Tranquil Finance or the staking Harmony One, or the validators through the mainnet. And a bit of cool news over here, we can see that Harmony One protocol team was at the E3 last month as one of the top sponsors. So they're still working on the networking. They're getting out there to exhibitions, really hands-on, and we know that Harmony is not going to vanish anywhere over the next few months, hopefully even decades. So what's going on with Harmony One at the moment? Well, the price, we had our rising wedge from a few weeks ago, and then we come into this lovely cup shape, and it looks like you've got a bit of cup handle over here and a lot of resistance at $0.173. This is a key area of resistance, and we got rejected there on 31st of March, and we tried to also retest this on the 28th of March. So it looks like really we've got this consolidation pattern right here, trading very carefully along this particular support level around 15 cents. So that 0.1557, we're getting quite close to that level again where we could lose the support. And if we do lose the support, the next trajectory would probably be coming down back to the 0.1422 level. On the bullish side, if we do break out to the upside and we get a bounce, I'd like to see that would come up to around the 0.1729 level and get a retest over there. We're not really getting enough volume. We are above the 20-day moving average, but we're still far away from the bull market support band over here and the 200-day moving average. So we have basically come down from that 0.37, and I think what's important is looking at the next Fibonacci sort of extension zones. This was a key area, this 0.236. We can see right here, that's where we got bumped at resistance. This proves to be a big level of resistance. And the next level of resistance from there, after that particular area, is probably also going to be around here on the 0.3 Fibonacci extension. And I really am a big believer of these Fibonacci's. They do work quite well. And I think this is a range that we need to play with. Once we can get through that 0.17 and then the 0.179, we should be able to get through into the next range between 0.179 and 0.21 and start trading sideways there, because at the moment we've got a lot of volatility. really a lot of volatility, and this could be potentially a double bottom reversal pattern as well. If you take away that rising wedge, this signified a lot of accumulation for Harmony 1 at this particular 0.12 level. It's good that we haven't come down any lower. So I would like to see Harmony retest the 0.21 in the next few weeks for us to get bullish. If Q2 of 2022 is going to be a particularly bullish level, these would be some great areas to look out for. On the 30-minute time frame, again, we're just getting that rollover, lots of volatility, big V-shaped recovery over here, and we're bouncing off the support. So maybe we're going to come back up to around the 0.162 level, where we've got a lot of resistance along here. As you can see, that would be the next ideal situation. We can see on the RSI we're sitting at 36, so we're slightly oversold on the 30-minute time frame, but it's not the best time frame to go by. And every time we are getting down to this 30 on the RSI over here, we're also getting a bounce each time as well. So Harmony 1's still got a long way to go, relatively low market cap, and I think it can still climb the crypto ladder to, you know, rank 25 and beyond. It is a really good project, and it's not going to go anywhere soon. Very bullish on the layer 1 infrastructure projects on this channel. They are the ones that offer the greatest returns. And if we look at the grand scheme of things, where we have corrected here from this swing low up to the swing high, well, we come down to the 0.786 Fibonacci absolutely perfectly. And it's not a coincidence that this particular 0.126 price level just here is a really good reaccumulation range. So if you do see Harmony 1 come back between 0.12 or even 0.13, it is a good area to potentially accumulate more and dollar cost average in. So let's see what happens with Harmony 1. Really good project. If you like this kind of content as well, guys, make sure you subscribe to the channel, leave a comment down below, and hop into the Discord. We've got about 200 people here at the moment. Massive thanks to the patrons on the channel as well. You guys are amazing. Literally a price of a coffee if you want to unlock those exclusive benefits. Leave suggestions below, comment, and let me know what you think about Harmony in the next few weeks. See you guys.